Hi, I'm Shalev Amar with your Arizona Lemon Law Advocates. What we're going to talk about in today's video is a common question that we get from our clients. And what that question is if I settle a lemon law claim or breach of warranty claim for cash compensation, A, will my vehicle be tagged a lemon? We'll have to disclose that to people. And B, will I still be entitled to warranty repairs? So we're going to answer both of those questions in today's video. Before we get into that, a little bit about my background. Been handling lemon law cases since all the way back in 2004. Was managing partner of a lemon law firm for 12 years. Then went out on my own the last few years. Have an amazing team of attorneys and support staff. And we can handle as many lemon law cases has come in through the door, and we handle everything for lemon law and breach of warranty claims A to Z. So we're here to help, and we don't charge our clients for out-of-court representation, so that help is free 95% of the time, the 95% of our cases that are ultimately resolved out of court. So let's get into today's question. What will happen if you settle a lemon law or breach of warranty claim for compensation? Will that tag your vehicle a lemon? Will that bar you from getting future warranty repairs? The answer to both of those is absolutely not. So let me explain to you why. If you settle a lemon law or breach of warranty case for cash compensation, the settlement will actually be confidential. It doesn't get reported in Carfax. It doesn't get reported in any other public database. Settlements typically have confidentiality provisions, so the company is not going to say anything. The vehicle only has to be tagged a lemon if it's reacquired under the lemon law, if it's bought back, or if it's replaced. And then it's up to the motor vehicle company to tag the product as a lemon and to disclose that it's a lemon. You do not have that obligation if it's a cash settlement with you keeping the vehicle. So you don't have to volunteer that, hey, I made a lemon law claim and they paid me. Look, if you're asked a direct question about the history of the vehicle, you should be honest. But again, that's not information that you have to volunteer because the vehicle was not bought back, and it only gets tagged a lemon if it is bought back or if it's alternatively replaced. Now let's talk about warranty repairs. If we represent you, we make absolutely sure that no settlement agreement will waive your rights to be able to get future warranty repairs if your vehicle is still covered by warranty. And that's actually one of the pitfalls of trying to handle a lemon law or breach of warranty matter on your own. Oftentimes these companies will put legalese, fine print like that, all of a sudden getting rid of your warranty rights. We will never ever let that happen to you. So if you have a settlement for cash compensation and your vehicle is still under warranty, you can still get repairs for free under the warranty. We will ensure that you have all of your warranty rights. So if you have any other questions about lemon law or breach of warranty matters, please visit our website. That is ArizonaLemonLawAdvocates.com, or you could call us locally at 480-237-2744. We're here to help. Remember, if your car's not up to par, call Amar.